So, my Packout stack. I have another one of these on order so that I can do some more electrical and low voltage organization. Looks like I need to get another one of these for OCD reasons. I'll probably go ahead and get one more of those so that I can balance it out. But I've got, this is my little charge station, by the way. But I've got a new Gen 3 impact. You can see here, I believe they call this one of the original ones, or not even a Gen 1. I'm thinking about doing a video. I put this one up next to this, and I was amazed. I knew this older one was worn out. It still works, but it's worn out. I drove a 4-inch screw in with this new one, and I could not believe how fast it was. But I don't want to keep that packed away in that. This is what I'm going to take with me when I'm doing stuff, or if I'm just doing stuff around the house. I usually like to leave this stuff out in the barn. Always have spares, always have extras. Multiple drills. It's my burn up pile. But, so keep this out here. If I go out to do a job and I leave the stuff there, I really don't want to have to worry about this being left. So, I don't want to put it in that unit because I want to put some of these tools up in there. So I figure, well, it would be better to get one of those middle units, or the unit just like that that has the mold already in it. And, well, I just couldn't resist because the addiction is real. Home Depot has these for $249. I was gonna pay about 60 bucks for that case. And all the people on Craigslist that probably have the stolen stuff, I think one about 190 bucks for that. So I'm gonna spend 150 regardless. And I figure I can always use more batteries. I can always use another charger. This way I don't have to mount this charger. So I'll try to unbox this with one hand. So I'm getting obviously another Packout, but in this case, I'm gonna leave everything in this case. Now, I had to look on the top shelf for this, but this is a 2997-22CXPO, which, if you look up the Packout toolbox alone, 48-22-8424, it's like eBay, you name it, everywhere they've got these things, they're all about the same price. In fact, there's some people on eBay selling them for $10 with $57 in shipping. I don't know what that crackhead is about, but now I have this. I can leave it locked up, but not locked up, but I can leave it in the case. I will not mount this charger. I'll leave this charger in here. So the normal stuff that I don't know anybody that does anything with, but I always save them anyways. Brochures, all the good fun stuff. So you can see here, these chargers are not the fast chargers, but I usually always have spare batteries, so fast charger is never a big concern for me. The handle, the drill. All right, so Gen 3 brushless. That unit there, I'll show you something neat. And this, I like this okay now. They were worse, and I've been swapping them out with a part from Amazon. But on these newer ones in the Gen 3, I'll probably keep it. I think it was the Gen 2 that had one that I really wasn't happy with. But this kit comes with one of the small batteries, which I don't have any more good small batteries, the CP2Os. So it's nice to have this for lightness. If I'm not doing big stuff, that's fine. And then it's got an XC50, which I like the 5.0s. I have some 9.0s, but this fits in the case. So this is what I'm gonna keep. I'm really excited to have that smaller one. But here, I'm gonna walk over and I'm gonna grab you. Okay, so the original, that with its rounded metal rod is nice because it doesn't rip anything. It goes right into stuff. It's nice. But you can get that on Amazon, as well as, instead of the single, look at this. You can put 3 bits in this, or 2, a long one and a short one, or 2 facing each direction. So that's something I bought. I gotta get them for these. But look at the difference. This is one of my newer, I guess you could say, olders. But look at that. That is insane. I don't even know where to start on that. I like this. This thing works great. That one was my standby, and I brought it out when I started smelling the brushes of this one. It still works. It's locked up. Sometimes it frees up. You can see there the chuck had some abuse. I'll probably take that off. I keep saving this. I don't know for what. Maybe I'll buy a set of brushes, or maybe I'll use it for one of the trade-ins. But again, you can see some of this lovely charging. 12 sequential, older style, and then I've got to wrap it. So I am going to say that I definitely recommend this kit. I'm excited because now I don't have to pack the stuff up. It's always in here. I'll keep it in here. I have batteries. I'll be good to go. So everyone, check out the Facebook page for Jacoval. Check out the Packout, Hangout, and Organization Nation. YouTube is where you're probably seeing this, but I'll probably post this as well on some other places. So if you're on YouTube, like, subscribe, and share my stuff. I will be posting some more. Look forward to me doing a comparison. I'm going to get some hand models, and we'll probably do a comparison of the impacts. Everyone have a good time and enjoy your organization.